was tagged in the 40 questions challenge by Diva Jones. So I am going to answer those 40 questions to the best of my ability. I cannot promise I'm going to give you all full disclosure, but I will answer the questions. And there is going to be a theme that you will see very quickly as I answer these questions. Question 1, do you like blue cheese? I used to like blue cheese when I was younger, but my palate has changed, and so I haven't had blue cheese in a long time, but I used to like blue cheese. Coke or Pepsi? I used to like Pepsi, all day, every day Pepsi, but I stopped drinking sodas in my 20s, and so I don't drink them anymore, but there once was a time, and Pepsi was that drink. Are you in a relationship? Yes, I'm married. Whiskey, tequila, or vodka? Well, that's a two-part question for me. I don't drink. Here's that theme. I used to. In my 20s, I dabbled with tequila, and then that passed. And then I tasted vodka, and I was all the way in on screwdrivers. Loved them, loved them, loved them. But I wasn't a big drinker, so I don't drink anymore. So whiskey, tequila, or vodka, if I had to pick, I would say vodka. But again, I don't drink anymore. Hot dogs or cheeseburgers? I don't eat either one. When I was younger, there's that theme, I used to eat hot dogs and hamburgers, never cheeseburgers. So since the question is hot dog or cheeseburgers, I would have to say hot dog, because it doesn't say hamburger, it says cheeseburger. But I don't eat either one. Favorite food? I cannot say I have a favorite food because I like food and I eat different things all the time, so I can't say that I have a favorite. What do you drink in the AM? The first thing I grab soon after getting up in the morning is water, and then I go to either green tea. If you ask anybody that I work with, they think that I only drink green tea, but I do occasionally have coffee. But the very first thing I grab each and every morning is water. Next question is, can you do 100 push-ups? Yes. I started doing push-ups last year, but I can't just crank out 100 all at once. What I began to do was whenever I was at work, I would go to the bathroom and do 10. Go to the next time I went to the bathroom, do 10 more, and I cranked them out in intervals like that. But to sit down and just pop out 100, no. But I can do 100 push-ups. I just need time. Next question is, favorite season? I love the summertime. I know people say they don't like summer because of the heat. I like the heat. I was born in a cold state, and so I like summer. Favorite hobby? When I was younger, it was reading. I was an avid reader. I would read everything I can get my hands on. I still am an avid reader. But now I'm all about audibles. I try to make sure that I have a book going in my ear whenever I'm driving or in the garden, if I'm not talking to you guys. But I can't say that it's my all-time favorite because I have to split that with gardening. But I enjoy both. I don't have one favorite. Tattoos. Yes. I have one tattoo. I got a tattoo, I think I was 24, 25, somewhere in my late 20s. Mid to late 20s I got a tattoo, and then I swore I would never do that again. But yes, I do have one. And it is not visible to anybody except for my husband. So, do you wear glasses? I do not wear glasses to drive, but I've had a lot of issues with my eyes. Let me go back. When I was in the 7th grade, I began to wear glasses. Both of my parents, my biologicals, both of them wore glasses. And I swore when I was 39 that I would ditch the glasses. I got LASIK surgery, and for 5 or so years, I was seeing everything on the moon. But I've had issues with my eyes after that, and I've had a few surgeries, and so I have to wear reading glasses to read, look at my computer, my phone. But when it comes to just sitting down, conversation, driving anywhere, I don't wear glasses, but I do need readers now. Phobias. I don't believe I have any major phobias. Now, I'm not base jumping. I'm not jumping out of airplanes, but I can't say that I have any real phobias. I'm not afraid of spiders. I don't like them. I don't like snakes, but I'm not afraid of spiders or snakes. I have a respect for nature, but phobias, not so much. Nicknames. I didn't grow up with nicknames. My family called me my birth name. My husband has a nickname for me, but as far as family and friends, no nickname. I do have two friends who like to shorten my name, but outside of those two, I don't have anybody else that calls me any nicknames. Favorite candy. I'm not a big candy eater anymore, but when I was eating candy like crazy, I would say hands down Snicker bar. When I was in my 20s, my lunch consisted of a king size Snicker bar and a bag of popcorn. So yeah. Do you believe in ghosts? Yes, I believe there is a spirit realm. I do believe that spirits do continue to walk the earth. I live in a city where there are plenty of places where people have seen and experienced ghosts, apparitions. So yes. Biggest downfall. I'm gonna be honest, I have two. I'm very hard on myself, and that's not a good thing. But I'm pretty tough on myself. And the other is, if you mess me over, or some would say, if you rip your drawers with me, I'm done. You can know at that point I will never have anything to do with you ever again in life. Period. Let's see. Rain or snow. I did mention that I'm from a snowy place by birth. I prefer rain all day, every day. Rain. I don't mind it at all. I think that the sound of rain is very peaceful. Piercings. Yes, I have piercings in both ears, 2 in each ear. I do wear earrings, but that's it. I have no other piercings. Age. Y'all are so nosy. I am 49. Yeah. French fries or onion rings. It all depends on my mood. I like both. I don't eat out very often, but I do have store-bought onion rings in the freezer sometimes. I actually, right now, I have home fries that I made in the freezer right now. So yeah, I like both. There is no difference for me. Kids, yes. Favorite color. I like color. I don't have a favorite per se. I love bright orange, bright red, bright yellow, lime green. I don't have a favorite. Some may think that I favor dark colors or black, but no. You just have to see me in the summertime. I'm all kind of colors going on. Let's see. Can you sing? Yes. When I was in high school, I used to belong to the show choir, and I used to go out singing all the time. I don't sing professionally. I didn't want to pursue a professional career. I sing in the car. I sing in the house. My neighbors hear me sing and they always tell me how they love to hear me sing, but yeah, I can sing. Where were you born? I was born in Illinois. Do I have siblings? Yes, I do. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. I was not the girl that was in the kitchen with my mom or my aunts or my grandma when I was younger. So my cooking came much later on. I was in the living room watching TV with my dad, watching WWF. I was kind of a tomboy. So I didn't cook much until I was married. I cooked when I was younger, like in my 20s, but it wasn't like cooking. It was more like you throw something quick in the oven or something in the microwave. It wasn't like you pulled out a recipe and pots and pans and was cooking. But I can cook. My husband enjoys for me to cook. He's always asking me to make something. Can I swim? Yes, I can. I used to swim when I was in high school. But as I grew older, swimming just became kind of icky to me. You see people do stuff at the pool and you're like, ugh. So I don't swim anymore. Am I religious? Yes, I am. I believe in a higher power. I believe in God. I was brought up Baptist. Read my Bible. Pray. Yeah. I don't beat anybody over the head with it, but yes. Shower or bath? I like to take showers, but every once in a blue moon, I like to just chill out, light some candles, have some music going on, and just have a nice soak. But every day, shower. Quick and easy, in and out. Do you like big city or nature? I was born in a big city. I love big city. I love the opportunities. I love everything about big cities except for traffic. And so because of that, as I'm aging and getting older, I prefer more nature because I don't want my neighbors right on top of me. I had that in my last house that I sold, and so that's not what I want anymore. Let's see. Are you a good friend? I believe I'm a good friend to those I'm friends with, and I believe that my friends would actually say, yeah, she's a darn good friend, and ride or die. If I need her, she's there. Broken bones? No. I tried real hard not to break nothing ever, and I've fallen a few times, but broken anything? No. Thank you, Lord. How many TVs do you own? One. And I only turn the TV on for the dog. I don't watch it. I look at stuff on my computer because I spend a lot of time on the computer, or if I'm traveling, I may throw something on my phone or my iPad. But as far as watching TV, I do very little watching TV. You'll catch me watching something on my iPad more than you'll catch me looking at TV. The TV is always on for the dog. I know that sounds crazy, but she likes to watch TV. She's watching it right now. Worst pain ever. Y'all so nosy. Worst pain ever. I've had all of my wisdom teeth out at different times. I had the first one out when I was in high school, and the last 3 when I was in my 20s, my early 20s. But the worst pain ever, I would say for me, the worst pain ever is losing a child. Do you like to dance? I love to dance. My niece is always trying to get me to dance with her on the Wii or just goofing around in the living room. Yeah, I love to dance. I'm not winning any awards for it, but I like to dance. Do you like camping? No. I'm not sleeping on the ground. I'm not getting in a sleeping bag. I'm not sleeping outside. I'm not camping. Camping for me is going to a hotel. That is as camping as I'm going to get, because it's not me sleeping in my house in my bed. So no camping. No for me on camping. Are you weird? I don't think that I'm weird. However, I'm sure probably some friends and some family members of mine would say that I'm weird or quirky. I'm different. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with me. But I don't personally think that I'm weird. I think I'm eclectic. Tag 6 friends. You know what? I actually wrote a list and totally did not bring it into my office. So I'm gonna go get my list and I'll be right back. Okay, I had to make sure that I got the names of the channels correct. I watch a lot of different people on YouTube and I communicate with a lot of different people on YouTube. So I'm hoping that in their time of looking at my videos that they see that I've tagged them and that they will also participate in the 40 question challenge. But if they don't, that's okay. And I must say that I watch a number of channels that are in the United States and abroad. So this is going to be a mixture of both in the United States and abroad. The first one is Terry King's Allotment Gardening on a Budget. The next is The Little Farmer's Farm, The Busy Brown Angel, Miss MB, Be Better Garden, and last but certainly not least, Home Sense with Nell. Those are the individuals that I would also like to challenge the 40 question challenge. And I will also put all the questions in my description box below. That way, if you're watching this, you can go ahead and take a look at what those questions are and you can answer them for yourself so that me and anyone who watches my channel can learn a little bit more about you. So I hope you enjoyed this 40 question challenge. I hope you have a little bit more of an insight. That's my dog, y'all. She just came in the room and she is tripping. She has her toy down there attacking it, like shaking it like a little alligator. My goodness, she's so rude. I thought I was going to be able to get through this without her coming in. No. No. So yes, that's all for me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a little bit more about me. And you guys have a great night. See, it's what I'm going to do with this dog. Just rude.